Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 26. Human development can be proved if A. Banks give more loans to businessmen. B. Large family sizes are encouraged. C. General education and training are encouraged. D. It is handled by the private sector only. Now, the concept we are looking at here is human development. And human development, as the name implies, basically describes development of the populace. Now, this development could be either intellectual or mostly intellectual, which in turn will affect all facets of the nation. Now, human development, as we have said, is basically intellectual in nature. And when you talk of intellectual development, what immediately comes to mind is the concept of education. Now, aside education, you also have skill acquisition. Now, what happens under education is that this education or skill acquisition is a major input for the growth of an individual or for individual growth. And by this method, it collectively adds or develops all facets of the country. Therefore, based on what we've described, the correct answer is C, which is general education and training are encouraged. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.